Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. Now, if this makes like a double top, which I think it may, and then it goes down and starts giving us a break of structure, then yeah, I will definitely become bearish. It likely would be the beginning of a move to the downside, possibly the end of a wave B that would last several months. But for me, the break of structure is right here. If it breaks that low, that's what's going to turn me bearish. Otherwise, I am looking at this move down as possibly just a pullback within the uptrend. So definitely still very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, to me, it kind of looks like this is already the end of a pullback on the daily. This could be like a wave one. This could be a wave two. Uh, we already got a nice impulsive break to the upside at a Fibonacci level. So I definitely am still looking for longs, even if it does try to push down again. Actually, that may even give us a better opportunity to go long. I would like to see a nice impulsive move up, possibly a nice big wave three, and possibly go all the way back up to those previous highs on the daily time frame. And like I said, if it makes a double top and then breaks structure on the daily, I will be happy to turn bearish. But until that happens, definitely looking for longs every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.